Many businesses believe they are doing lean because they introduced a few tools. Maybe they ran a 5S workshop, created some process maps, or added performance boards to the wall. But lean maturity is not measured by how many tools exist. It is measured by how deeply improvement thinking is built into the organization. This is exactly why lean maturity rubrics are used. A lean maturity rubric is a framework that helps organizations assess how advanced their lean culture, systems, and behaviors actually are. It measures where the business currently stands and what needs improving next. Most maturity models evaluate areas like leadership, problem-solving, standard work, continuous improvement, visual management, and employee engagement. At lower maturity levels, improvement usually depends on a few motivated individuals. Processes are inconsistent, problems are reactive, and lean tools are used occasionally without long-term structure. At higher maturity levels, improvement becomes part of daily operations. Teams solve problems systematically. Standard work is followed consistently. Leaders coach improvement behaviors regularly, and employees actively identify waste and improvement opportunities themselves. Imagine two factories, both using 5S boards. One updates them once a month because management asked. The other uses them daily to identify problems, improve flow, and drive operational decisions. Same tool, completely different maturity level. That is the purpose of a lean maturity rubric. Not judging organizations, helping them understand where they are today and what operational excellence should look like tomorrow. Because real lean transformation is not about isolated projects. It is about building a culture where continuous improvement becomes normal behavior. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.